Hello everyone, I am Sharat from Eshark. Today we are going to see our fan series in a stretch. So first one we have is 52 centimeter, which has the highest resolution in the series itself. It is more than 1080 resolution. And second one we have 65 centimeter, which will be helpful to do video wall solutions. Like we can make human video walls, and even we can make a very huge video wall without any size restrictions. We can even connect up to 100 fans at the same time and synchronize it to make a one video wall. I will show that later in this video. And next we have 80 centimeter. It's a little bigger size than 65. Even in this we can do human video wall with 2 fans itself. In 65 centimeter we require 3 fans, and in 80 centimeter it requires only 2 fans. Basically, to understand, 65 centimeter is around 2 feet in size, and 80 centimeters around 3 feet in size. So the bigger size in the house is 100 centimeter. So now we are going to see about the use cases for the hologram fans. So where and all we can use the hologram fans. First, in event places and in corporate sectors, and for retail shops as well. So in retail shops, they use it for product advertisements, to attract more customers and engage customers, and to make people come into their stores. And for event sectors, we can do a lot of things with the event. As we know, like for every event they wanted to introduce new technologies to engage their audience for the event. So for this, we prefer 65 centimeter. The most advanced feature, as I see right now, we can make a huge video wall using this 65 centimeter. So we can make 3 fans together and make a human video wall. And we can also make a very huge video wall using this 65 centimeter. To assemble this and to make the content and to upload the content, I prefer 65 centimeter because it is a very easy to do, anybody can do, easy to learn as well. It is not very complicated to learn. And for 80 centimeter, we can use it in retail shops. So to attract customers, walk-in customers, we can place these 80 centimeter in outdoor as well by doing a fabrication around this 80 centimeter. Both the sides will be transparent to give an hologram effect, to like floating in the air. So 80 centimeter can be used in retail sectors, in outdoor and indoor. Both the sides we can use. And we have the most highest resolution fan, which is 52 centimeter. So it can be used anywhere, like in corporate environment, like in small offices, in big offices, in the reception areas, and in cash counters, retail sectors. We can use these fans. Even in the tabletop version also, we can do the 52 centimeter. So as I said, it has the most highest resolution in the series itself. You will get to see an amazing, wonderful hologram effect in this 52 centimeter. In all the fans, all the fans we can control through one software given by the manufacturer itself. So all the fans will come with the SD card, and all the fans can be connected through a router. So it can be operated through a router, a cloud, and can be also operated through a network.